What if I told you I let ChatGPT run all my side hustles for 30 days and the results were nothing like I expected?
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm sharing my full experiment where I handed over my side hustles to AI, yes, ChatGPT, for an entire month. Could it actually make money in the US South market, or would it crash and burn? I gave ChatGPT control over 3 things: content creation for my blog and social media, customer service replies for my small e-commerce store, idea generation, and planning for new digital products. Results breakdown. Blog traffic increased by 42% thanks to consistent AI-written posts. Customer response time dropped from 12 hours to just 15 minutes. But not everything was smooth. Product ideas were creative, yet some lacked market fit. Key takeaway: the biggest surprise? Revenue went up by 18% compared to the previous month. AI didn't replace me, but it amplified my efforts.